Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about the abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun means the nouns that stands for a quality of a quality or action. Correct? It can be action also, or it can be quality also. Correct? When we speak of quality of a person, place, animal, bird, things, or when we talk about action of a person, place, animal, bird, thing, that is called what? That is called an abstract noun. And today we are going to study, and it is told that abstract nouns cannot be touched or seen. We can only feel abstract nouns. What we can do? We can only feel abstract nouns. Now here it is told that underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences. What we have to do? We have to underline abstract nouns in the following sentences. You can see like that there are 9 sentences before you. How many sentences are there? There are 9 sentences, and we are going to find out which words are abstract nouns in these sentences. Now first one. Satish has confidence in me. What is that sentence? Satish has confidence in me. Now confidence word is what? We can say, confidence means something quality. Correct or not? There is quality in me. माझ्यामध्ये काहीतरी क्वालिटी आहे म्हणून सतीशला माझ्यावरती काय आहे? कॉन्फिडन्स आहे. So which word is abstract noun in this sentence? Confidence is the abstract noun in the sentence. Understood? The second sentence which is given on the board is pride is one of the 7 deadly sins. Pride means what? Garv. Correct or not? We say or not, I am proud of my country, or I have pride on my own self, or on myself I have pride. मला माझ्या स्वतःवर गर्व आहे. And it is told that we should not have ego. Correct? Ego is one of the 7 deadly sins. Okay? Sins means what? In Marathi it is called paap. So, pride is what? Pride is a quality. Correct? Not? There are some people, they have quality, they have pride, they think themselves too much proud. So, pride is what? Pride is the abstract noun. What is pride? Pride is the abstract noun. Third sentence which is given over here is Solomon was known for his wisdom. Solomon is what? Solomon is name of the person. And he is known for what? तो कशासाठी प्रसिद्ध आहे? Solomon is famous for his wisdom. Wisdom is what? Wisdom is quality which he has. So here, what is Solomon? Which word is quality? Wisdom. Correct? People those who don't trouble each other, or they are very wise. Those people are they are famous for wisdom. Those who like to help others. So Solomon was known for his wisdom. Wisdom is quality of who? Wisdom is quality of Solomon. Solomon is a person, name of a person. So what is told that he is known for what? He is known for his wisdom. Fourth sentence which is given over here is always speak the truth. What we should do? We should always speak the truth. Now here which quality is told to us? आपण नेहमी कसं बोललं पाहिजे? खरं बोललं पाहिजे. So truth is what? Truth is a quality which everyone should have. खरेपणा ही एक क्वालिटी आहे जी प्रत्येक माणसामध्ये पाहिजे. So truth. So the truth word is what? Truth word is the quality of a person. Understood? In this way we have completed 4 sentences. Now your 5th sentence is the Pacific Ocean is of great depth. Depth means what? खोल. Pacific Ocean कसा आहे? Pacific Ocean खूप खोल आहे. Right? In water is too much deep. If you fall in Pacific Ocean, you will not be seen also. Water is too deep. So here, how is depth? Depth is great. How is depth? The Pacific Ocean is of great depth. So which word will be abstract noun? Depth and great. These two words are what? They are abstract nouns in the sentence. Are you understanding? Have you understood? Depth is what? It is also quality. Pacific Ocean is having quality of having depthness. खोलपणा खोल असणे हे त्याची काय quality. So and great is also having some quality. So great depth is what? Great depth is what it is? Great depth is what? It is the abstract noun. Sixth sentence which is given here is we must study and overcome ignorance. आपण काय केलं पाहिजे? We should study and we should overcome what? Ignorance. Ignorance means what? There are some people, those who don't do study, they are not doing study. Then what happens? People or their teachers, you can say, or parents, they shout at them. They are ignoring them. Ignore करने means what? To tell them that no, don't do this. You don't know anything. They are ignoring us. Correct? So ignorance is what? Ignorance is the quality, or you can say it is an action which is done by people. And it is so, it is told that we must study and overcome what? We must study and overcome ignorance. Understood? The seventh sentence which is given here is the Queen of Sheba was famous for her beauty. The queen. Now queen is what? Queen means Rani. Rani of which place? Sheba. The Queen of Sheba was famous for her beauty. For what she was famous? She was famous for beauty. So, what is quality of that queen? Beauty is the quality of that person. Correct? What is the quality of the queen? The quality of queen is what? The quality of queen is beauty. She is very beautiful, and she is famous for what? She is famous for her beautiness or her beautifulness. Eighth sentence which is given over here is our teacher has knowledge of all subjects. What our teacher has? Our teacher has knowledge of all subjects. Knowledge means what? Some knowledge means knowledge is the quality of a person, right? So what is that sentence? Our teacher has knowledge. So knowledge is what? Knowledge is quality of teacher. Correct? He or she is having what? She is having knowledge of all subjects. तिच्याकडे काय आहे? नॉलेज आहे सगळ्या विषयांचा. ओके, सो नॉलेज वर्ड इज व्हॉट? इट इज द ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन. Ninth sentence which is given here is honesty is the best policy. What is the best policy? Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. So honesty is one of the quality which everyone should have. We should be honest. Honest means what? We should be punctual. Honest means what? If work is told you to do, you should do that work in time. Understood? Honesty, punctual you can say for honesty. In this way, what we have studied? We have studied about 9 sentences which are given on the board. Confidence is abstract noun, pride is abstract noun, wisdom is abstract noun, truth is abstract noun, great depth is abstract noun. Then ignorance is abstract noun, beauty is abstract noun, knowledge is abstract noun, and honesty is the abstract noun. Now what you have to do, today's your homework is you have to write down all these 9 sentences with question. Question number 1, underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences and write down all these 9 sentences in your English grammar notebook. Have you understood? And then tomorrow we will study, not 9, there are more sentences, the remaining sentences, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 4 sentences we will study tomorrow, and there is one more question, that is question number 2, that also we will study in tomorrow's period. If you want to see this questions, sentences, I will show you, see here from 1st to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down this all 9 sentences in your English grammar notebook and underline those words. Okay? Then thank you for today. We will meet tomorrow.